Shotguns are based. As the great warrior poet Clint Smith once said, handguns put holes in people, rifles put holes through people. Shotguns will physically remove a chunk of shit from a person and throw that chunk of shit on the floor.
Physically remove a chunk of shit from a person and throw that chunk of shit on the floor.
We have double-up buck. I'm gonna gut shot this guy. We're gonna see what happens. Ready, Micah?
On you.
Yo. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my God. Thing is that if you're not getting penetration matters. You gotta get deep in there, otherwise it doesn't matter.
Penetration matters.
And it is a little bit more power than might be necessary.
A little bit more power than might be necessary. Physically remove a chunk of shit from a person and throw that chunk of shit on the floor. Physically remove a chunk of shit from a person and throw that chunk of shit on the floor.
But we certainly do have them, and it is America, so we can do whatever the
Fuck we want.
Oh no.